In this section, we are going to look about keywords in robot framework. First, what is a keyword? A keyword is collection of actions. When you want to perform some action repetitively in different test cases, then instead of defining these actions in different test cases again and again, you can create a keyword and reuse these keywords in different test cases. Let me give an example. When you want to log into an application and then perform some tests, then you have to write the login code within different test cases. So instead of doing this, what you can do is you can create a keyword which will perform the login activity, and you can call this keyword from different test cases. Hence, your code will look nice, as well as when there is a change in the login functionality, you don't have to make this change in all the test cases, because you have to just make the change in the login keyword and it will reflect in all the test cases. So basically, that is a keyword, a collection of actions. In robot framework, we have two types of keywords. The first is library keywords. The second is user keywords. First, what is a library keyword? A library keyword is a keyword that is defined within some library. For example, when we are using Selenium library, whatever the keywords we are using from that library is a library provided keyword. For example, in this code, I am using a keyword called evaluate. This is a library keyword which is provided by built-in library. In PyCharm, if you just hover over that keyword, it will show the documentation of that keyword. So you can see here robot.libraries.builtin. So that is the library we are using, and what it does is it just evaluates the given expression in Python and returns the result. So this is a keyword provided by the built-in library. Similarly, there are a lot of libraries available for robot framework. Each of them provide their functionality through a keyword. If you want to understand about what are the keywords that are provided by each functionality, then as I said previously, you have to go to the keyword documentation page. For built-in library, if you go to the robot framework built-in library documentation page, it will show all the keywords that it exposes. So the user can use all those keywords. For example, there is a keyword called catenate which will concatenate two given strings. So user doesn't have to define any function or programs to concatenate two strings. He can just import the library and use it. As this is the built-in library, you don't even have to import it. You can just directly use it. But if it is a different library, for example Selenium or even robot framework itself provides some other libraries like OS library, collection libraries. There are multiple libraries available. Each will have their own keywords. One more place you can look about the documentation or the functionality that is performed by a keyword is within PyCharm. You can just click on the keyword that you want to look into and just click on Ctrl+B. It will open the library. You can see here, this is builtin.py. That is a Python library where this evaluate is nothing but a function. So it performs some action. For example, it is performing some action here and it returns the result to us. So this is a library keyword.